Yo, yo, yo! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Google Play gift cards in 2025. So go over to ogsnags.com. This site has a ton of coupon codes and stuff like that. And we're going to find the Google Play gift cards. So as you can see, it says Google Play gift card codes. So go ahead and press get code. And as you can see, there's 28 used today, 38. So we're going to go ahead and press show coupon code and wait for it to load. So once it loads, guys, you just want to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to bring you over to this page here. And on this page you need to enter your email address because they're going to send the code to your email, obviously, so make sure you go ahead and fill that in. Now after you enter your email address, there's going to be a page like this where it asks you to fill out some information, so make sure you fill this out, guys. It's very important. And then the next thing that will happen is you may be asked to do a short survey, and after you do the survey you're going to see a page like this where it says complete a deal to continue. And you can see it says this deal popped up for me, Monopoly Go, reach board 10 with a $0 cost. So that's the one you would do. So anyway, guys, I don't know what deal you're gonna see, but make sure you complete it and then you will get a free Google Play gift card. So that is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get free Google Play gift cards in 2025. So yeah, you just got to fill this out, guys. It's very simple. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super insane and it totally hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, I'm just trying to help the community, honestly, and a lot of people need my help. So that's how you get free Google Play gift cards. It's super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if you're interested, be sure to try it out because this is super crazy and it's updated and everything. So just get down with it and you'll become rich like me. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys. This is super awesome. Oh my gosh.